Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best pressure washer hose reels you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many pressure washer hose reels and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each pressure washer hose reels so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a pressure washer hose reel. First, think about the reel's material and build quality because it needs to handle high pressure and resist rust over time. Next, consider the hose length and diameter to ensure it fits your washer and cleaning area properly. Hose compatibility is also important so that connections are secure and leak-free. Look at the reel type, whether manual, spring-driven, or motorized, depending on how often you use it. Ease of use matters too, so check if it has smooth winding and unwinding features. Portability and mounting options can also make a big difference for storage and convenience. Finally, always check the maximum pressure rating to ensure safety and durability. Choosing the right reel will make cleaning easier and your equipment last longer. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.